All right, guys, this is a very exciting video for me because it is my first Fab Fit Fun box. So if you want to see what I got in my very first box, keep watching. All right, guys, let's get into this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, my first Fab Fit Fun box. It's hard to say. Fab Fit Fun. Fab Fit Fun. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay. There is the inside of the box. It takes up like the whole thing. All right. I have watched so many unboxings of these, and I'm like, one day I will sign up for Fab Fit Fun. And I have like canceled my lure. I canceled like a bunch of my other boxes, and I thought I'm going to try Fab Fit Fun for a little while. So it looks like right on top there is a magazine, and there is a $50 credit for bright sellers. So here is the magazine. Lovely lady on the front, Gabby Douglas. Why does that name sound familiar? Is she like a gymnast or something? I know that name sounds familiar. So inside the magazine, haha, here's goodies. All right, so I'm going to leave that page open because I have no idea what's in here. Okay. The total of your box can be between $225.50 to $477, just depending on what all you have in your box. So it's all nicely wrapped up in tissue. I'm going to tear the sticker. Oh, I see all kinds of stuff. Okay, the biggest thing I see, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, is the Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna, and I think this is a vase or a vase, however you want to say it. I have so much stuff up on my vanity. It's like craziness. Okay. Super cute packaging with the polka dots. Oh, how cute. See the polka dots. And then there's the cute. I'm going to throw it on the bed. You know what I do. Alright, so it's like raw clay down here with a glazed drip on it. That is so pretty. And then it has his sticker on the bottom. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm going to sit it back here with my Pandora box for right now. And stay tuned for that. Let me look it up. Isaac Mizrahi. Add a splash of color to your space with a hand dripped vase that retails for $28. What else do we have in here? I think I know what this one is, and if that's what it is, it's on this page because I saw it. I think I know what this one is. I think it's the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. Now, I don't have my passport yet. We are wanting to go on another cruise, just not anytime soon, which right now there's no cruise ship sailing anyway. Yes, this is the passport. Oh, how cute! So there is the passport wallet. Open it up and you have a place for an ID. Place for an ID. You have a place for cars, and your passport can slide in here. You can also tuck some papers. Yes, there's an extra pocket here, and then tuck your passport back in there. Super cute. Okay, so the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet retails for $78. So right there, we've got $100 already. So I'm going to toss that on the bed, and I'm just grabbing as I see. Spongelle hand cream, coconut verbena, infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Now, guys, you know where I'm at. I'm in North Carolina. We don't say oil. I'm just saying it to be correct, polite, whatever. It's oil. It's oil. Down in North Carolina, it's called oil. Okay. Nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. This is $18. $18 for this little thing of hand cream. And I would put it on. I'll put some on the back of my hand. Because if I put it on now, I won't be able to pick anything up. I'll be slipping and sliding everything. Oh, Lord. I didn't mean for that much to come out. So, oh, it feels good. Well, might as well just... That smells really good. Speaking of going on a cruise. Oh my goodness gracious. Try not to get it on my fingertips. Just keep it mostly on the back of the hands. Oh my gosh, that smells fantastic. It smells tropical like a cruise. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next up we have the Zoe Alea. I'm gonna let you AYLA. I don't know. This is a face and body ice roller. Okay. And it's sealed. And I have no my scissors are over there because I was cutting tags off of shirts. Okay. Ice Baby reduces puffy eyes, rejuvenate tired skin. $30. Let me see what this thing is. So I guess you put it in the fridge. Directions: leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. I wonder if this would help a headache, because I get really bad headaches and the only thing will help is an ice pack. You can also use it for bug bites, sunburn, tense and sore muscles, treat bruises, aches, and lessen discomfort before and after cosmetic. It's already cold. Cosmetic procedures. So what do? You just roll it. It's already really cool. It's cool. I bet that would feel good on a headache. Yes, it would. Oh my goodness gracious. That would feel really good on a headache. Okay. So we have that little baby. What I say that retailed for? $30. $30. I hate that I keep looking down, but my little magazine's laying here. There's all this frou-frou down in the bottom. I'll save that for if I ship something. Okay, we have a makeup sponge. And guys, I have so many makeup sponges. I probably won't open this. It'll go to one of you guys in a pop-up giveaway. Stay tuned for that. This is minimal product waste makeup drop hybrid sponge. And it is... I wonder if it's like a... Why is it a hybrid? This applicator features a silicone side, okay, and a latex-free sponge side to give you your makeup a flawless finish. $20. So it's the same price as a beauty blender. Oh, I see. This little front section, can you see how that kind of has a lip on it? I guess that's like a silicone edge, and then the rest of it is a regular sponge. So that's kind of cool. On the bed it goes, but yes, that'll go into a giveaway for one of you guys. I see more stuff. Winky Lux Unibrow Eyebrow Pencil. Where are you? Winky Lux. Here we go. Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Get your best brows ever with this Universal Brow Pencil. Retails for $16. Well, let's see if it matches my brows. Because I do actually need a new brow pencil. I've got a couple, but it never hurts to have another. Is it a felt tip? No. It's the triangular shape. And mark's pretty easy, and it is really light. So it would definitely match my brows. Yes, it matches my brows. And I only have a couple spots that I fill in. This corner right here. And then I do this corner up here. And then I kind of fill in a little bit right here. And that's all I fill in. That's all I do. But yes, that works for me. Great. Let's see a couple more things. This is a little box. What are you? Kate Somerville. Goat milk. Goat milk moisturizing cream. Hey, okay, where are you, Kate? Kate Somerville goat's milk moisturizing cream. Made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado. This gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. $65. Wow. There's some good looking products in here in this little magazine. It looks like you could have got choices of. And I may not dip my finger into this because I have so many face creams going right now, but I want to smell. It does look like kind of like yogurt. And it doesn't really have any kind of smell. So I'm just going to close that back up nice and tight. And when I run out of one of my other ones, I have one to put in its place. All right, guys, I think this is the last thing. And I was hoping I got this one. So that is everything in the box except squigglies. And this is the Yummy Kim wireless charging pad. I hope this works for my phone. I have a S10, so I'm hoping this works with my phone. If not, it'll go on Poshmark. I don't know. Where's this one at? Okay, this retails for $35. It is a wireless charging pad. Rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery charge in a flash. This pad supports QI compatible devices only. So I'll have to look and see if my device is QI. But I've seen pictures of this and it looks so cute. It is so cute. Just the packaging is beautiful. Look. So I'm not going to like completely take this out because I don't know if it works with my phone. But look how beautiful that is. Can you see that like resting on your table in your phone? Just, I need to charge my phone. So that is everything I got in my first Fab Fit Fun box. I am super excited. This box is $50 quarterly. I believe it's $49.95 quarterly. And I do have a link down below. It's not like an affiliate link or anything. It is the regular referral link that they give everybody gets a referral link. If you do click that link and sign up, I believe it just gives me credits to purchase add-ons. It doesn't, that's all it does. But it's the usual referral link that all of us get. But there were some really nice things. And I will have to flip through this magazine. There was a perfume roll-on you could have got. There was a beach mist. Looks like there's some different hair products you could have got. A toner. A foot cream. That would have been great. I would have used that. Give that to my hubby. He likes foot creams. And flip through. Smile at summertime. Here's ways that you can use your products, it looks like. It's awesome. I cannot wait for my next box now. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up, hit subscribe. Pop-up giveaways coming soon. I can feel it. There's a pop-up giveaway coming very, very, very soon. So be sure you're subscribed, notifications on so you won't miss that giveaway. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.